guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how my day is when I don't have class. Today is Saturday and I'll show you how a day in my life, like in a weekend, goes when I'm here in UK. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and take a quick shower because I have a team meeting for a subject with my team members at 12 and it's 10:30 already, so I should go and get ready fast. Okay guys, so I am ready. It's 11:30 at the moment. I even tried that hack going on with like blush, the whole round blush thing. I don't know how I feel about that. It's just too much for me. What my outfit is, I'll obviously take this jacket along with me because I live in UK. I don't live in India, so I have to take jacket, otherwise I'll be freaking cold. And on the way, I'll just grab something to eat because I have no grocery at the moment at my place. So coming back, I'll also take groceries. So let's go. So guys, I'm here at the group study. My team members haven't arrived yet, so I'm here alone. This is how the group study room is. That's another segment of that, like another team can book, and this is how it's like whole conference room. I am here for the grocery shopping and go to Tesco and do some grocery shopping and not have nothing. So I have got some parcel. I'm going to take that.
I'm smoking a blunt to the face. I just need my space. Get so hot.
So guys, I'll show you what I bought in the grocery. This is my grocery bag, and this is not just it. I have many more things, and this is like approximately 7 to 8 kg, and I got it like I have to walk all the way from Tesco to here. That was a lot. I'll just quickly show you. I've got some snacks. I also bought this ice cream. It has a pack of 3. Yeah. And quickly I'll just keep it inside and start making food because I haven't eaten anything since morning. So let's do that. So this is what I have made. This is noodles, and this is like garlic bread. And yeah, let's taste it. Let's eat it and see the taste. It's a bit on the sweeter side, but it's balancing. I'm loving the garlic bread as well. So guys, here in Nottingham, one Nottingham light thing is happening. They have installed a bunch of light events, not light things here in Nottingham. So I'm here, not missing a chance to get my content there and click some photos. So I'll show you what my outfit looks like. This is what my outfit is. It's this, and I'll go click some photos and take you guys along, and yeah, let's go. Hey guys, so we are here and this is my friend and this is the light thing that's going on. So there are like, it's in 5 places like this, some different things. So we are just here clicking photos and just enjoying it. It's just so crowded, oh my god.
You're like my favorite record.
guys, we have come in a church. I think something is happening in that church. I don't know exactly if it's still happening or not, but let's see. So guys, we saw some old people making their own band and performing. It was nice to see all the people like who they have retired and everything just making music and everything, but it was for old people, it was not for me, so I didn't get the music, but it's fine as long as they like it. Yeah. So guys, we are in front of this beautiful
This is so exciting. I must
thing. So pretty. I
so
love
much
it.
better now.
So I am inside one of the flats and I can see and I can hear the bees. It's so pretty.
I sailed across the Atlantic.
So we saw this big xylophone in front of us randomly. Let's see. I have to hit like several times on this thing. Okay guys, so I am back and I'm quite tired, but I have few parcels, so I want to open it in front of you guys. So let's open the parcels. Okay, let's open first is the Skin and Me. Okay, so they gave me this tester. It's like this. This is retinol, which is customized for me, for my skin, and it claims that it will remove all the pimples and everything that's here. And I have got this tester for moisturizer and cleanser as well. This was the first pack was for £3.50, so it was a steal for me. So I just got it. I saw it on TikTok actually, so that is why I just wanted to see like it's work for me or not. Okay, it has to come in like this much packed. This is hoodie. This is a NTU hoodie which we were supposed to get free. I've ordered some large size, I guess. Yeah, so this is what the hoodie is. It has a Nottingham School of Art and Design, and it has this NTU logo here. So this is quite big. It's nice. That I've got was a packet sent to me by the company Setinya Cosmetic box. Let's open it. Wow. So this have even a thank you card. That's amazing. Oh god, it smells so good. Oh, my bathroom will smell like so good after this. And we have this pineapple paradise candle. Oh wow, freaking love it. This is what the candle looks like. It's just amazing. Wow, it smells so good. This bath bomb. I don't have bathtub, but I have this bath bomb. I'll use it when I go back home. I've got this lavender dream essential oil, and wow, it's so good. I've even got this salt scrub. How this scrub is. I just don't want to spill it on the bed. This is how this scrub is. Everything smells so good. So good. And the next is bath salt. Like this. It's come. The packaging is so good. I love the packaging. And thank you, Setinya Cosmetic box, for sending this box to me. And if you want to like get your customized box, it was customized according to what I want. So if you want to get it customized, you can check it in the description box down below and get it customized for yourself. And I think I'm going to use few things right now and just get unready, which I will mix a TikTok of. And I'll see you when I'll just change my outfit. So guys, I have just undressed myself and did my night skincare routine. If you want to see that, go and check out the shorts. I have uploaded that. And right now I have just eaten my dinner, and I'm eating this as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.